Bro, you are so nervous around girls that you overthink everything to avoid looking like a loser, so much so that you end up looking like a loser, a creep, cringy, and everything underneath that umbrella. And to be fair, you're probably a super cool and a super chill dude, but as soon as there are girls around, especially your crush, you just don't even know how to act. I need you to stop overthinking it and stop making these mistakes every time you're around a girl that's making you look like a creep. Let's hop into this. Number one, keeping your hands in your pocket. Bro, you need a more relaxed posture. Try leaning on something. It could be the bar or a wall. Maybe even use your hands as you talk. Shoot, at this point, even having your arms crossed or something simple like this will look a lot better than keeping your hands in your pocket like you're a spoiled child in timeout. You look tense, it looks awkward, and you're making her get creeped out. Which takes us on to number two. You're staring too hard. See, you think it's helping, but it's actually hurting you, bro. Like, in your head, you're like, oh, Jose told me I need to connect with eye contact, and yes, but I also told you that it needs to feel natural. See, if you are just locked into her eyes so you fool her into thinking that you're confident, you're actually going to convince her that you're a pedo. That's what you're going to do. Usually in a regular conversation, about 70% of the time, you're connecting with the eyes. The other 30, you're moving around, you're looking. You want it to flow and feel comfortable. This is why wearing frames is so powerful. I've told you time and time again, throw on a good pair of shades and it's gonna block where your eyes are moving, and it's also gonna make you feel safer. Not to mention, you also look better. See, a pair of glasses, it's a perfectly structured accessory. That perfect symmetry adds symmetry or the illusion of symmetry to your face. So not only are you hiding your creepy eye contact, you're also looking more attractive since your face looks more symmetrical. And you probably look A1 given that the glasses that you should be picking up are from J Black. See, our company, J Black Boys, all I do is design frames to make you look better. Frames that are in style to make sure you look your best. And we use the best of the best. See, our frames use Italian acetate, stainless steel construction, polarized lenses. We cut no corner. And that's because I want you to have something that you buy today and it's gonna last you 3-4 years. See, the materials that we use are the same that the designers are using, except we're selling it to you for only 49 bucks. And since I want you to have a frame that you can wear 24/7, see, sunglasses, they're amazing. Sunglasses, if you don't have a good pair of sunglasses, pick one up. But I want you to wear something that you can wear in the morning, in the day, in the night, inside and out. And that's why blue light blockers are probably your best bet. If you guys want to check out our Prism collection, it's going to be down below. But blue light blockers block the digital blue light that your devices emit, so they have a functional use and allow you to wear the frames all day, every day. That way you can always have that to feel protected when you're having that conversation with the girl, and you can feel a little more natural, a little more attractive, more confident. If you guys want to check out the Prism and see what everybody else, we have over 5,000 5-star reviews from happy customers that will tell you themselves these are some of the best frames in the market. And if you guys want to check them out and see what they're saying, click that link down below. Number 3, where's my hug guy? See, some things in life are just meant to be organic, and right now you're organically acting like a simp. See, once you start connecting with the girl, escalating it to that sexual touch should be easy and natural. And it'll feel natural to the point that you're gonna be getting closer and closer to her, and she's not gonna be pulling back or getting tense. And as a matter of fact, she's also gonna be getting closer to you. It will never get to a point that you're gonna ever need to demand a hug out of her, and if you do get to a point that you do that, you're doing something wrong. Number 4, commenting on her body. See, this happens all the time with guys. You see her at the club, she's wearing that really tight dress, or you even saw her at the gym, she's wearing those new Gymshark leggings. But the last thing she wants is a compliment from you telling her how thick she's looking. A complete stranger that has no connection with her whatsoever. See, complimenting a girl, it's good. You just don't want to make it sexual off the rip. Number 5, seeming rehearsed. Like if you seem robotic when you approach a girl, it's game over. You are now a creep. So many guys have no game with women. So in their head, they think, oh, that's fine. I'm gonna practice this one move. And then when they're in front of the girl, their delivery is so robotic, it seems rehearsed. It just doesn't seem natural. See, it's supposed to be spontaneous and fun and keep her on her toes. And you learn this through practice through talking to a lot of girls. At first you're gonna be awkward, but then you're just gonna start feeling and vibing it out. There is no shortcut to that, and no practice of one liner or of a move will ever get you to it. And finally, number 6, overflowing her with compliments. This is the nice guy syndrome, where they run out of things to say, so their default is to just overload the girl with compliments. See, one compliment could be good. It could be a great way to break the ice. 7, 8, 9, 10 compliments inside of a conversation, they don't even mean anything to her at this point because she knows it's coming out of some low status dude that is probably desperate and insecure, and that's why he's bathing her with compliments. Don't overload it with compliments when it comes to talking to a girl, because they're gonna get creeped out. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 6 mistakes you're making that are making you look like a creep in front of girls. If you guys like this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our frames from Jade Black. If you guys want to check them out, they'll be linked down below as well. That's it from me today. See you next time.